back to CBSE Board Economics. Today we'll be discussing in the Indian economic development a chapter called Rural Development. We'll see some small questions which might come for 1 mark from the rural development. We all know that rural development is very important for an underdeveloped or developing country like India. Why? Because almost two-thirds of the population in India, they live in rural areas, maybe villages, because their development is very important. To develop the economy, to develop the GDP, economic growth, rural development is very important. So regarding this, we'll see some small questions. So rural development means we should provide infrastructure in the rural areas, maybe in terms of roads, maybe in terms of industries, maybe in terms of all electricity, all the other facilities that will help for the development of the rural areas. It can be in terms of industries, it can be in terms of other job opportunities for the rural people. Let's see some small questions here. You have the first question, you have rural development. What is the meaning of rural development? What exactly is rural development? Rural development means comprehensive and continuous process to improve socio-economic aspects of people of rural areas. Rural development means comprehensive and continuous process to improve socio-economic aspects of people of rural areas. What it means? It's a comprehensive. Comprehensive means it's a complete development of the rural people in terms of education, in terms of job opportunities, in terms of health, in terms of all the other comprehensive to improve the comprehensive and continuous, not that one-time development, it should be continuous to improve socio-economics of aspects of rural people or in the rural areas. So socio means they should have a good status in the society in terms of job, in terms of job security, and economic means they should not dependent on others, they can live on their own. So what is rural development? It's a comprehensive and continuous process of improving the socio-economic conditions of the rural people. The next one, mention two aspects of rural development. The number one is the development of infrastructure. I just told you, to develop the rural areas, we have to develop the infrastructure in terms of providing electricity, in terms of providing them roads, in terms of providing them other basic infrastructure, facilities, schools, colleges, and development of resources. So they should have resources to utilize. It can be in terms of schools, it can be in terms of education, in terms of all the other facilities, including internet and all the other holistic development of the rural people. And why is rural development important in India? Because about two-thirds of India's population lives and depends on agriculture in India. That's why it's very important. And the next one you have, why is Indian farmer need credit? So we know that Indian farmers are poor, they always need credit. Why they need a credit? Because there is a big gap between sowing of the crops and realization of crops by selling the produce. So there is a big gap, that's why the farmers need credit. So the answer, why do Indian farmers need credit? Because there is a long time gap between sowing of crops and realization of income. So I repeat once again a few small questions. What is the meaning of rural development? Rural development means comprehensive and continuous process to improve socio-economic aspects of people of rural areas. The next one, mention two aspects of rural development. One, development of infrastructure. Number two, development of resources. Now, why is rural development important in India? Because about two-thirds of India's population lives and depends on agriculture. Why do Indian farmers need credit? Because there is a long time gap between sowing of crops and realization of income. Keep watching the other videos will be posting continuously from the Indian economic development. Will really help you for your board exams. So till that time, it's goodbye from Saddam Hussein. Keep smiling and work hard for your exams. Bye-bye.